Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Parvez Musharraf. I am from Sherpur, Bogura. Now I am currently studying in Software Engineering Department at Daffodil International University. My educational background: I complete my secondary school certificate from Summit School and College with GPA 4.94, and I also complete my higher secondary certificate from Rural Development Academic Laboratory School and College with GPA 4.50. My skills: I have a good knowledge about programming languages such as C, C++, Python and Java. Besides of language skill, I also have several skills like Canva, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint and CapCut. My special strength is my presentation skill. I really enjoy to speak and presenting my idea to others. My working experience: I worked as a training associate at the DLC office for around 6 months under Rakibuzzaman Rakib sir. There I gained valuable experience about teamwork, communication and professionalism. My university activities: during my university life, I have completed many group projects with my teammates and I their role as a team leader. I also active in extracurricular activities, especially with the Software Engineering Culture Club and the Data Science Club, where I participated in events like dance and cultural programs. My personal contribution: besides work and studies, I am proud to say that I am also a blood donor. I have donated blood 10 times and I always try to help people in need. That's all about me. I am hardworking, friendly and passionate learner who love to grow through experience and teamwork. Thank you for watching my video resume. Allah Hafiz.